Hi, my name is Nick Guzman with ITAP at Aptos High, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an Ethernet cord. So to start things off, these are the materials that we're going to need to use. A Paladin tool, which is used to clamp it. Your box of terminal ends. A pair of scissors. The Ethernet tester, and of course, the Ethernet cable. So the first thing that we have to do is take the scissors, and you're going to gently cut around the cord about 2 inches down from the end, and make sure that you don't cut any of the wires, just to get this plastic tube off. Once you get that, you can pull off the plastic part and set that aside. Now what we're going to do is, you can see we have 4 different cables. You're going to bend each one of those cables into 4 different groups. And once you have that done, you're going to untwirl it, so you're going to get 8 separate cables. Next, you assemble each wire into the following pattern. So once you have them all in the correct position, make sure that every single one is as straight as it can be and that they're all side by side. So to make sure that your wires are going to fit inside the terminal end, you're going to need the wires the exact same length. So as you can see here, our terminal is a little bit smaller than the wire, so we're going to have to cut it down, maybe a centimeter. And keep doing this until it's just about the right length. Alright, that should work. So, again, check that every little cord is in the right place. Face the terminal end straight up with the clear side facing you, and slide in the cords so that they fit in the appropriate slot. Again, it's really good to look through and make sure that each cord is in the right spot, because once you clamp this down, you cannot take it off and you're going to have to restart all over again. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the Paladin, we're going to put it in the 8P, and we're going to clamp it firmly so that now it's not going to come off, and your Ethernet is almost done. So just to make sure that your Ethernet cable works, you're going to plug it in to your Ethernet tester. You're also going to get the other side. You're going to plug that in and make sure that there is no error message and that all of your numbers line up. This shows that all of those cords go straight through and there are no shorts and no opens.